Good morning, good morning, good morning, YouTube, my family, and my friends. Excellent Dreams back with another exclusive video for you today. And I just wanted to point something out. If you're on Facebook or social media or just Googling around and you come across an ad for my Rhinestone University School or my Excellent AI University School or even my niche university school, um, post it, you know, show me some love, repost it, share it, uh, give a quick explanation about what's going on here. Uh, if you are a member of Rhinestone University and you see one of my ads, share it. Sharing is caring. I just wanted to point that out. As you can see here, when you go in here inside Rhinestone University, you know, there's a quick spiel about what's going on. Learn Rhinestone Designs and generate multiple streams of income. This is what you will learn inside Rhinestone University. If you've seen this, share it. There's 77 members currently in the school right now, and we learn daily. We learn daily. What you'll learn is step-by-step design training, proven workflow, which shows the idea all the way to the template. We show it all. Designs that sell, production ready methods, and how to turn that skill into income. This is for you if you're ready to stop guessing, build sellable designs, and create with purpose. Take this seriously. Seriously, take this seriously. Um, I know y'all see me posting online every day, inside the community, on Facebook, on TikTok, on um what I got, Snapchat, Instagram. I'm posting daily, showing what can be created using this software and with me helping you as your core trainer. So once again, if you see any one of my schools here, go ahead and share the content. Somebody uh, on your friends list may be actually trying to learn, trying to study, and they may be struggling and they don't know where to turn. I'm the guy. I'm the Rhinestone King. As you can see, that is heat transfer puff. I know y'all can see it puffing up. Heat transfer puff with rhinestones inside. Learn how to design like this at Rhinestone University. And I'm out.